Hey everybody, and welcome to Draw TV, January 2018. And it is so good to be back drawing. I love to draw. Anyway, this video is a little different. I've put it in reverse, just for the reason I just want to see what it would look like being shown in reverse. I know, crazy, right? Anyway, the new character is Orange Jack. Orange Jack is a robot who is a good guy, of course, and he has the ability to take off his head with it being on fire and throw it, sort of like the Headless Horseman of Sleepy Hollow, and that's kind of the vibe I was going for on this particular piece. And I decided to make him a robot because if he was human, unless he's supernatural, how could he take his head off and throw it? On his shoulders, you'll notice two circles, and I figured there should be some cameras going to the electronics inside of him, and that's his actual eye sockets, you know, so I thought that'd be kind of neat, something different. I ink with various materials, I color with various materials, as you know, and if you don't know, I'll go ahead and tell you. Many years ago, probably about 4 years ago now, I left Windows and all the programs associated with Windows behind because I got tired of update after update after update, and I almost lost a gig because one of the updates ran for quite a while, and it took up pretty much all of the day, and I almost lost the job, and I had to, apologize and try to hurry up and get it done and things like this. But anyway, from that point on, I switched to Linux, and I also switched from Photoshop to GIMP. And what a learning curve that was. I'm still learning new stuff with GIMP. And I have fun with it, though. I like to learn new things. It's part of, being a human being. You want to learn new things. And in this case, I'm sharing it with you. And I'm glad you're watching. I want Orange Jack to have a motorcycle. And I think that'd be cool instead of a horse, since he is a robot. I think it'd be kind of neat. As for his super abilities besides throwing his head, I figured he would have enhanced strength, speed, and agility because of the electronics in his body and him being a robot. I think I'm going to give him sensors so he can feel pain, and that'll be his curse. You gotta have a good curse. So giving him human-like sensors and a human memory type thing set up inside of him, so he'll have the ability to know what's good and what's bad, and he can make good and bad decisions. So, as you know, I haven't been drawing anything since December because I worked really hard on getting Devil Bat out and promoting it. And if you don't know what Devil Bat is, it's a comic book I did, 48-pager, and it's available at lulu.com, and I hope you're able to get that. Usually you can find coupons online, so look for that. Anyway, also I did a window mural for a local business, and that wore me out. I haven't done a window mural at Christmas time, or, well, in this case, for a New Year sale, in a long time. And this was a huge window, and I'm very proud of how it turned out, and the client really enjoyed it. And so, yeah. I was contemplating backing out of doing any drawings this year for a little while, space it out till spring. And I talked to a few of my friends, and they were disappointed, but they all said the same thing. Please don't do that. Please keep drawing. And you have to. Even if you hit a low spot in your day, in your daily routine, in your life, whatever it is, if you're an artist, you need to draw. It's part of who we are. It's part of what we got to get out of us. And the more things we get out of us, the more room we have for new things, new feelings, new ways to express ourselves artistically. You have to do that. You have to get that out of you. So don't, even if you're having a bad day, don't stop drawing. Draw something, scribble, sketch, something. Get that out of your system so you can get on with the next project. All right, we're winding up near the end of the piece here. going back to the blank page, which is hilarious. Doing this in reverse, I am so happy with this. I'm also pleased with how Orange Jack turned out. And if you like Orange Jack, let me know in the comments below, or just say howdy in the comments below. I'm thinking about doing a Q&A sometime this month. So we're going to wind it up here, and I will talk to you guys soon. Remember, keep drawing.